Hello, happy springtime. I just wanted to bring you over here to my little stand of bamboo and give you an update on how that root barrier is working out. So far, so good. It's April and it's shooting season here in Georgia. No, not that kind of shooting. Bamboo shoots. The bamboo shoots are coming up in great numbers. This tiny little stand of bamboo has over 160 new shoots. This year's shoots are just a little bigger than last year's. So far, the barrier is working great. All of the shoots are on the inside of this barrier and no shoots are on the outside. That's how it should be. Here you see a shoot that's very close to the barrier, and here you actually see a rhizome running along parallel with the barrier on the inside. I expect that next April I will see a lot more of those. And if I ever see any kind of roots, rhizomes, whatever, crossing the barrier, I'll just snip those off. And I'm enjoying watching my bamboo grow. If you'd like to know how I installed this bamboo barrier, check out this other video.